What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. I'm gonna put some lotion on my hands because last time I clocked myself and I was white as snow. So anyways, today we are going to be doing makeup, but also I will be answering your makeup questions. So I had posted a story and I asked, well, on my personal page, and I asked everybody to ask me whatever makeup questions they had and get your questions answered by a pro MUA, okay? So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm not gonna make this intro long at all. Let's get to it. I'll be doing my makeup as I answer these questions. So sometimes some of these products I won't be able to mention in between asking questions, but just look in the description box. I always let you know what I used on my face. Okay, so let's start off with the first question. When is the proper age to start a skincare regimen for my child? Now, that question will probably vary per person. It's obviously based on preference because I don't know your kid's skin, but I think right around that time, at like age 10 is when most girls start hitting puberty. And I think girls and guys, because this is a common misconception that guys don't need a skincare regimen, and they absolutely do. Like washing your face with water and a towel, it's not gonna cut it, buddy. It's not gonna cut it, my guy. So yes, this is for boys and girls. Yes, you do need a skincare regimen, and I would suggest starting your skincare regimen when you hit puberty. Your body is changing, your skin is changing, and you just want to make sure that you just want to make sure you train your skin before your skin learns to be problematic. Now, I'm not saying that this will prevent pimples or this will prevent problematic skin because I didn't really have that issue growing up, and I'm not an esthetician. But if you are an esthetician and you have like a licensed answer to this, comment down below. These are my opinions and my opinions only. So don't come for me. Don't do it. When I was like around the age 10 or whatever, and I started my skincare routine, I was using like Clean and Clear, the daily cleanser and moisturizer, and they have so many different kinds. When it comes to your face, always do your due diligence and do a lot of research because everybody's skin is different. So what works for me may not work for you. What works for me is not going to work for your kid. And I'm just not going to be held responsible for those things. So do your research. But yes. Next question. Do I still need to wash my face even though I've used the makeup wipe to cleanse my makeup? Absolutely. 100%. Please do. Reason being is that if you'll know when you start using a makeup wipe and then going in and also cleansing your face, but just using a makeup wipe does not completely cleanse your face. Like you still have remnants of makeup left on your face even just after using a makeup wipe. So you absolutely want to go in and cleanse your face. Which actually leads me to my next question that I got, which is, what is toner? So a toner is a step in a skincare routine, in your regimen or whatever. So basically you do your, you use your makeup wipe, cleanse your skin or get the makeup off first. Then you go in with your face wash of choice. And then after your face wash, you want to use the toner. Now back in the day, I used to use like Sea Breeze for a toner, Witch Hazel, whatever. All toner does is it further cleanses your skin. And once you do the toner, you could really see if all of that makeup and stuff has been cleansed off of your face. But it's just a next step process after you wash your face. So you want to use a toner with a cotton ball or one of those cotton pads. But also if you use it daily, it'll minimize the appearance of your pores and tighten your skin. So honey, if you want to look young, toners are the way to go. Somebody asked me, when is Fenty going to give me a discount code? Because I want to try their products, but I want a code. Girl, when you find out, you let me know. Actually, how about all of y'all just petition and call Rihanna and be like, girl, I know she got like 2 followers on Instagram and maybe she got like 3 subscribers on YouTube, but the girl is amazing. Like, the girl is good. Give her a chance and you won't be disappointed. I don't know, maybe something like that. What y'all think? Draft something and let me know what you come up with, because I think that's a good plan. I don't know. But yeah, I'm growing and glowing. It may take me a few years to get to the status of, but I'm going to get there. And when I get there, y'all going to know. So just make sure you stay subscribed, stay along for the ride, because it's going to be up. Ooh, this is a goodie. How do I keep my skin hydrated underneath my foundation? So I don't have oily skin. I don't have an issue with hydration. I got over hydration. But the way you keep your skin moisturized under your foundation is use a moisturizer. I know for some people, they think that you're not supposed to put moisturizer on before you use your foundation. But absolutely, honey. Absolutely make sure that your skin is moisturized before you apply foundation. So you can apply your moisturizer, but then take it a step further. After you apply your moisturizer, get you a good hydrating primer. Fenty Beauty has a really good hydrating primer. It's called the Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. So get that. It's like $16, I think. And then don't use a matte foundation. Matte foundations are for the oily girls. I mean, if you're not oily, you obviously can use a matte foundation if you just like that finish, but it is definitely a drying formula. It's to... the purpose is to not overly hydrate your skin. So find you a hydrating foundation. Fenty, I keep talking about Fenty like the girl running me coins and she not. But Fenty has a hydrating formula and she has a matte formula. You're going to find that with a lot of makeup brands. Too Faced has a hydrating formula and they have a matte formula on foundation. So just make sure you're finding the hydrating ones. Somebody asked me, what are those little egg spongy thingies called? They're called beauty blenders or blending sponges, beauty sponge or whatever. They're used to blend, to apply and to blend. Ooh. Somebody asked, do you conceal first and then foundation, or do you foundation and then conceal? If you've watched my videos, you know that I foundation and then I conceal. But there are benefits to doing your concealer and then your foundation. If you don't want to use a lot of products. Also, if you like that brightened look underneath your eye, but you have a deeper skin tone, it's great to do concealer first and then foundation because you can kind of sheer it out. So on one side of my face, I'm going to do concealer first and then foundation. On the other side, I'm going to do foundation first and then concealer. So we're going to concealer first under here. Okay, now we'll do the contour. For my contours, I like to use this fluffy brush, blending brush, instead of a sponge. I just get better control and it makes me feel better about life. And you know me, I'm gonna always blend that contour into the head of my brow. Take it across your lid too. We're not using eyeshadow today, so this is a good way to give your eyes some depth. So here we are. We haven't applied any of our foundation or anything yet. You don't need that much product to make this face look complete, right? So then on the other side, I'm going to do it in the reverse like I normally do it. I did a few pumps on this side of my face, and whatever is left on this brush, I'm using it on the other side. This side, I did the concealer and contour first and then foundation. On this side, I did foundation and concealer. You can't really tell the difference. Minimal product was used on this side though. I used the same amount of concealer on both sides, but this side has more foundation than this side has. I did not have to use as much foundation because I already had coverage because of the concealer, because of the contour. So you use less product when doing it the reverse way versus using foundation first and then concealer. Does that make sense? I hope so. Color corrector. What color corrector do I use? Okay, so color corrector is used to to make your skin tone even. If you have hyperpigmentation, like you have dark circles underneath your eyes or maybe right around your lip area, you want to color correct. So if you are of a darker skin complexion, you would want to use like an orange. If you have fair skin, to combat darkness, you want to use like a peach tone. So I got the question, how do you shade match without opening the foundation bottle? Great question, sis. I actually did an entire video on that. It'll pop up right there, but I'll also link it down below for you so you can check that out. Lots of great nuggets there, so please check that video out. Also, somebody asked, what is the best technique for hooded eyes? Hey, I have hooded eyes, so I can definitely help you out with that. So the best technique for hooded eyes depends on what look you're going for. If you want to do a cut crease, I have a video for doing a cut crease on hooded eyes. But basically, if you look here, yeah, ignore my lace. I don't glue my stuff down, so worry about your mama, not me. If you look right here, you see how my eye folds? You see that? That fold right there? You want to take your colors higher than that fold so that people can see them. If you put on lashes, whatever you put right here is invisible. See, nobody's going to know it's there. It's pointless. You just wasted 5 minutes of your life. So you just want to take it higher. Somebody asked, is white liner still a thing? Girl, you know what's funny? When I was younger, like not even a teenager yet, probably like in middle school and stuff like that, like all of the older girls that I knew used to wear white liner, and I thought that crap was so cute. Like I just couldn't wait to wear makeup so I could do white liner. But then I got older and it was out of style. And I was like, wait, no, I was coming. I wasn't ready then, but I'm ready now. And it was out of style. But yes, white liner is back in style. As y'all know, there's nothing new under the sun. Trends come back around very often. It's like the circle of life. Mufasa knew what he was talking about. This actually moves me to my next question. Somebody asked, how do you make your eyelids appear bigger? So one way to make your eyelids appear bigger is to use white eyeliner. So the other question was probably about eyeliner on top. White eyeliner on top is a look, sis. It is a L-E-W-K, a look. Absolutely do it. It's cute. But to open up your eyes and make your eyes appear bigger, white liner in your waterline or beige tone liner right there. You don't necessarily need black liner, right? Because if you use mascara, that'll take care of that blackness under your eye that you're looking for, like that smoky, sultry look. That will do that for you. But black eyeliners usually will close your eyes off. Me personally, I like to look like a cat, so I'm okay with my eyes being closed off. But I know some people just want the eyes to be open. If you want your eyes to pop and be open, white eyeliner or beige, chef's kiss. Yes. When you gonna let me sweat your makeup out? Listen, brother man from the Taliban, I'm his whole married. I got a whole husband. And he will air this motherfucker out, okay? He's a whole gangster, okay? I'm just playing. That was my husband. He ain't got no sense. I'm finna block him on social media because he's stupid. Now, this last question was pure comedy. Somebody asked me, No Lip Lucy. Somebody asked me, how do you make your soup cooler lips appear smaller? Baby, I don't know. I don't have lips. I ain't even trying to figure out how to make mine look bigger. Now, if you want to do that, I got you. But in all honesty, like if you want to make your lips look smaller, get a skin tone. This is not a skin tone. This is not an example because I'm trying to make my lips look bigger. But get a skin toned lip liner and fill your lip in. So like here, I overline to make my lip look bigger. But if you want your lips to look smaller, then you get a skin tone. This is darker. You want to get a skin tone, one that's your skin color, and line inside of your lips, right? So you're going to do the opposite of overline, and you're going to interline. I made that up. Interline, like right there, right? And then whatever color you use, you only want to concentrate it on the center of your lips. And like make it blow out like that. And that should make your lips look smaller. Anyways, let me know what other questions you have down below. I'd love to do another Q&A session. And if I gave you some pointers that you're probably going to use, Let me know down below. Thank you for watching, guys. Like the video, share it with a friend, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that when I upload, you know that I uploaded, because it's going to give you a notification. But in order to get that notification, you have to click the bell notification and then click all. It got to say all, so that when I upload, your phone will say ding, 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 and then my face going to pop up and you'll be like, oh, Suzie uploaded another video. And okay, thank you, bye. Bye.